Hey Madeline, can you tell me how much you love your cake? Is it good? What about Papa? Does Papa love his cake? Pretty tasty. Big bite. Big bite. Yum.
I don't know how she can eat her cake like this. It just keeps falling off my face.
She's trying. Do you like it?
Sugar buzz. Delicious.